Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing a wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. I'm going to push all the hair going to the back using my hair clip so I can start working on this lace, and then I'm going to take my Kiss Lace Bond Spray level 9 and spray it. And I do take like 1 to 2 layers because I'm not keeping this wig on for long. I'm going to lay the lace down in sections, and then I'm going to take the comb and press the lace into my skin and blow dry it on cold setting. This wig was a little bit hard to install because it has extra lace on here, which I'm going to fix that later on in the video. Use Kiss Lace Bond Spray on the other side because it did dry already, and then I'm going to lay it down immediately and take my blow dryer and blow dry it on cold setting so it can lay down. And as you can see, it already looks better. When you blow dry this wig, use the end of your comb because it makes the inside more better and melted looking. Cut the extra lace off using my eyebrow razor, and by the way, I did re-pluck this wig, so that's why it has the extra lace, and it's hard to install, but it's okay. Apply the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on your fingers and the lace so it can lay down better and melt. And as you can see, the lace is disappearing.
Now everybody go to breakfast. For the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl out.
After applying the Kiss Lace Bond Spray, you want to comb all the hair going to the back and blow dry the lace on cold setting using the end of your comb.
And I know that get both, like the Baba Frayo.
There are some pieces that didn't lay down, so I'm going to spray on top of the lace and use it in my comb and lay it down using my blow dryer.
Make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django lover. Feelings today
Let me show you a magic trick. So when you blow dry it using the end of your comb, it's going to get sticky and tacky. That is how you know that is correct and melted. And then once it does melt, you want to blow dry it on cold setting. As you can see, the lace looks way better now. It does not look too white. I'm going to take my elastic band and keep it on for like 15 to 20 minutes and come back. It is time to remove that elastic band. And where is the lace? It's already melted before I even add the makeup, y'all. Look at that. It looks so good. I'm going to take my makeup foundation level 12 and put it on the lace with this small edge brush. And as you can see, the lace is disappearing like magic. Go in with the darker shade though, because if you don't, it's not going to give scalp.
But if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, so they know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lucky, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to me, I do the world I've seen her.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them don't fit kill my vibe. Them don't fit kill my vibe. Them don't fit kill. Them don't fit kill. Them don't fit kill my eyes. My set full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. fight, cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me?